Copper Mountain Mining Corporation's hard work is paying off. The company formed back in 2006 with the focus of seeing if there was any potential of reopening the historic Simcoe copper mine, and it looks like the company is on the right track. Copper Mountain is in the process of bringing the project back to life. The site is located in a historic mining district 15 kilometers from the town of Princeton, and it has everyone in the area excited about its developments.
My name is Jim O'Rourke. I'm President and Chief Executive Officer of Copper Mountain Mining Corporation. Because of the well-developed infrastructure at the site, and also the fact that we're in southern BC and we have very good access, we've got a very aggressive schedule. And this involves completing the conceptual design, the evaluations with the anticipated target of 2010 for the start of production.
Copper Mountain Mining Corporation released an independent feasibility study completed by Hatch Engineering just this past August, and the results look very promising. The feasibility study produced a positive economic evaluation indicating that it's economically viable to bring the company's 100% owned open pit mine back into production.
The development concept is to redevelop a previously operated open pit copper mine at a rate of approximately 35,000 ton per day of ore. Production from this would be about 100 million pounds of copper per year, plus byproduct gold and silver. Having a developed infrastructure considerably reduces the construction risk and also the capital costs. The capital costs are estimated to be $402 million, plus a $35 million contingency was allowed. The scheduled startup would be at the end of 2010. In order to meet our aggressive development schedule and ensure the project is developed on time, we have made commitments and ordered long lead items such as the SAG mill and also the ball mills.
The company believes the property has great potential. Because mineralization is being found between the existing pits, Copper Mountain is combining the 3 pits into a much larger area dubbed as the Super Pit. It will allow them to go deeper and wider to access more mineralization. It's part of the company's 3-pronged approach at the site. The exploration technical team is led by Peter Holbeck, Vice President of Exploration, who brings over 25 years of hands-on exploration experience to the project.
This property has excellent exploration potential. Over the years, exploration has always resulted in an increase in resources. Our approach to exploration has 3 prongs. The first prong is to drill in the areas of known mineralization. This is areas in between the existing pits, an area we call the Saddle Zone, areas adjacent to Pit 2 known as the Copper King Zone. These areas are continuing to expand the resource base. The second prong is to drill outer targets that where we have historical drill holes that have indicated some mineralization, but these have not been fully explored. And then the third prong is to test the deep targets that we know to exist through both geophysics and some deep historical drill information. We have completed nearly 90,000 meters of drilling in just under 400 drill holes, and we take that information and add it to the historical database, which consists of 400,000 meters of drilling in more than 5,000 drill holes. And together, that data is what we use to estimate the resources. Our current resource estimate contains more than 3 billion pounds of copper. In the measured and indicated categories, there's 260 million tons, grading 0.36% copper. And in the inferred category, 164 million tons, grading 0.29% copper.
Copper Mountain Mining Corporation is also using brand new cutting-edge technology, the Quantex Titan 24 survey, to give the project an advantage. So far, it has been very useful to the company, identifying numerous targets both in the near-surface environment and at depth.
Results of the Titan 24 survey correlate very well with known geology. The best anomalies fit right within the Super Pit area, and to date, testing of the Titan anomalies has yielded a very high success rate. The larger targets that are on the property extend to depths in excess of 1,200 meters or nearly 4,000 feet. And this has provided a large target area for us to explore. This property has 100 years of exploration history. Exploration has always been successful, and we think exploration will be successful into the future. This project has the potential to be a world-class deposit.
During the initial 14 years of the mine life, we will produce 1.1 billion pounds of copper, about 3.5 million ounces of silver, 339,000 ounces of gold. The average operating cost is projected to be about $1.28 per pound of copper, net of precious metal credits. Because of the infrastructure, this is believed to be a relatively low capital cost project. And also, in the past, it has been a very efficient operation, again, because of its location mainly. This, in turn, will represent significant benefit to the investors in being a low-cost producer.
For now, Copper Mountain Mining Corporation will continue to press on to meet their production goals, and so far are well on their track to achieving them.